Storm,
Yes.
pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Andrew.
You know, we love you guys at BlackRock because you make things really simple. But here's what's intimidating for us is when we talk to people, they say you buy a beer kit. Mm-hmm. What is a kit?
So you're talking about the product right in front of us? This is a beer kit right here?
Is that it?
Yeah. As long as you've got the equipment, you just need a couple of cans of beer or sugar and you're away.
What I really like about you guys is you're making it even easier than giving us a kit. You've got some nice recipes on your website.
Absolutely.
We can download these. We've got one for some cider, Berrylicious.
Yeah.
We have a New England Pale Ale, which is a tough one to make for most brewers out there. But some of these actually won prizes, didn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. This year at Berrylicious, our Berrylicious cider came in second overall out of 350 beers in the cider, so it's doing pretty well, and it's so easy.
How easy? Because
Really
I've taken this recipe, so this is a cider recipe, Berrylicious. It won a prize. What do I need to make that?
So all you need is a couple of cans of extract, one of brewing sugar, and some boysenberry concentrate. So you're going to warm up your cans so they get to a nice temperature so they run and they're nice and liquid. Then you tip in some hot water, 2.5 litres of hot water, tip it in your clean and sanitised fermenter, and...
Be patient.
Yeah,
because it's going to take a little while for it to ferment, and then you can do it. Yeah. But you're talking about the things pretty fast here. So 2 of your ciders. Yeah. This brewer's sugar is something that's a little new to us. Can you make this with other options as well? You can use normal cane sugar?
Yeah, you could use dextrose sugar. You're best just to get the right sugar from your home brew shop. But basically the sugar is just going to add some more alcohol, some more flavour. Ferment out a bit more.
And when we talk about cider, it's usually there's some fruit options. I know this one has some berry. I think it's a berry.
Yeah, boysenberry.
Boysenberry extract. I can add some other extracts. It's not extract actually. This is the actual concentrate.
Yeah,
right?
That's just a fruit juice concentrate. This way you can play around. Obviously, we give you the recipes, and this is a great recipe. But you can make it more to your own taste. So there's lots of room for flexibility once you get more confidence.
Here's one which I know everybody wants to make up north. New England IPA.
Yes.
That's a hard one.
Yeah, using these kits is actually not hard. We've done all the hard work for you.
We need a BlackRock Pale Ale.
Yep, so we've got a BlackRock Pale Ale here.
Got it.
Yep.
We need a BlackRock unhopped wheat.
And this is it here, unhopped, so you can add your own hops.
Because sometimes they put oats in. Nipas, notes, Ipas, notes, right? I'm going to use some mosaic hops, citra hops. You got all that mixed up for us already?
Absolutely.
100 grams on it was probably a little less than what we need there.
A little bit more for sure there.
That's it. That's a Nipa. We can do a Nipa there, and we dry hop this. So what the recipe tells us here is after fermentation, we're going to add these dry hop elements into it, and we work through it. So all the instructions are here. Now, there's something missing.
The yeast?
Yes.
Yeah. So we provide the yeast as well to make it nice and easy. This is like an entry-level yeast. If you want a little bit more true to style, you get a specific yeast from your homebrew shop for like $6 or $7, and that'll just elevate the flavour a little bit. But this totally does the job as well. So it's up
I
to
came
you.
prepared.
You did.
I brought my own yeast. This is single-serving fermenters yeast, with all kinds of characteristics, so I can even play around with different yeasts with the same kits to get different tastes.
The yeast is super important, so you can definitely play around with it.
Should I harvest the yeast? Should I try and reuse the yeast?
I wouldn't. I think as a home brewer, you should probably stay away from that stuff because you don't want to introduce microbes into your beer and ruin 23 litres of beautiful beer with the bad yeast.
I'm not saving that much by harvesting yeast,
No, not at all, and just introducing far too much risk, and that's why you're buying a homebrew kit from us, is because you want it to be easy and you want it to be good.
Like that. I really like that. Here's a really double one. Let's do this one. BlackRock Double Take. This one won something as well?
Yeah, Bivana as well. This one is super drinkable, especially for a double IPA, and super easy too.
Now, I know you like the double IPA.
Yeah.
I know you like some of those stronger beers. Which one is your favourite in all the recipes you've tasted so far?
More of a double IPA or a stout drinker, or an imperial stout. But no, the world's your oyster. Once you start, it can be quite addictive, and it's easy, and you get good results.
I'm really enthused about all of this stuff, but I think the point we're trying to make here really is as simple as that. You get your cans, you get your fermenter, you get it organized, maybe some kegging, maybe some bottle finishing at the end. You want to play around with some of the flavors. It's about the hops, it's maybe introducing some other qualities. I think we've got some videos online that explains to you how to use vanilla or coffee for your porters. And we found as the Cowboys that we play around with the yeast. That becomes quite interesting.
Yes, super.
I'm enthusiastic.
Me too.
You ready for some brewing?
Absolutely.